how to fix iPhone charging auto disconnect problem in your iOS device. If you are facing this issue, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, open your settings in your device. Once you go through it, scroll down and go through the battery and check if your battery is on service or not. If on the battery health service is showing, then you need to change your battery. Then once you check that, go to the general and hit on the software update and check if any updates are available in your iOS system. If there are any, then please do update. If problem is not solved still, then hit on the transfer or reset iPhone and then reset all settings. This will surely solve this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.